Sydney is the state capital of New South Wales and is the most populous city in Australia, with a current population of 10 million. In Sydney, the use of CO2 emissions is a major problem and needs to be resolved or civilization will end by 2050, says an article written by Brandon Spector. So how can we decrease the use of CO2 emissions? Well, the answer is quite simple. Just by reducing the use of your car and taking public transport, walking or cycling can reduce your use of carbon emissions a lot. Burning 1 gallon of fuel creates around 9 kilos of carbon dioxide. This means that the average car emits around 6 tons of carbon dioxide every year. Also, changing your house to solar power. It may be expensive at the start, but in the long run, you can save a load of money. By changing your house to solar power, your house becomes energy efficient. This will also decrease your carbon footprint by a ton, as it is estimated that the average Australian has a carbon footprint of about 15 tons of CO2 per year. Taking caution of your water usage is also another factor that can decrease CO2 emissions. By reducing your water use, we reduce the need to use pumps that contribute immensely to CO2 emissions. This also, in turn, decreases household costs. Reduce, reuse, and recycle is a common factor, which means cutting back on the amount of trash we make. This system plays a significant part in reducing our carbon footprint, as taking trash to incinerators and landfills produce powerful greenhouse gas emissions. This method of taking trash to incinerators and landfills releases powerful carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These powerful emissions trap over 310 times. By reducing our reliance on coal-fired electricity and embrace renewable energy, our Earth will become a more livable city. Today, there is so much technology and strategies to prevent this problem. Wind turbines and using nuclear power are also great ideas. Nuclear power provides high amounts of energy without even damaging the environment and atmosphere. Overall, if everyone puts in some consideration and takes part in doing simple tasks, our world will become a better world.